Yeah, umuna mundibo. Umuna inaba. Hasi from Nanka Anambra State. Nanka Anambra State. From Enugu Nanka. Only if somebody melefe. I'm going to video watching online. I can't make that video. Blood and a back the group of people be a friend. Could we say gate fe? Brugate fe poor. Everyone has ways. Fair job bang. Maybe say unezam. Because here inside the compound. So, both the video no one. Yeah, one back when I saw no need justice. Ndi bunyano man. Come on, do all those things. When contact I see Biko. Kedife melano. What happened? I will catch the thing. I believe with I believe with them mad easy because of guy who's the name of that man? Okechukwu Ezodo.
AKA
Nzetrugo na Nanka. Akwonye Enugu Nanka. Kedu ife obu Enugu Nanka?
Chairman.
Okay, chairman ko obu Enugu Nanka. Mmadụ iji power nwere we na people intimidation adro mma. And the anukwa mo no tiri mom igife. And that one was here.
My sister.
Chiko your sister ife.
So this my brother with me and my daughter of my brother.
Hang up.
Police station.
Intimidation because
I enjoy court and I only bound for 1 week and
no problem. Make a
1 week, no statement.
He got 1 week with fair melego. If you would tell listen, let me tell people something. Adama like in a bonnet woman. Lomato no squad go governor or president. Adama like in a bonnet woman. He gets you because of power in well. No one all undo broniago. Is it because of that? People intimidation. I know they like him. That is why when this brother and back on social media. Now speak on now say what is happening. Welcome the thing with him. So before I continue say anything, kind of from him. So my brother, what happened?
Yeah, on 9th of January, my brother was born na phone. So no one endo be na buy. Na go for our entrance gate. And say our item no joke. And say okay, go Maliki go see me a video. Or say yes. O send no joke. And say okay, name a video here nine. Yeah, they should not anybody. How gate ya blue.
How to get to the gate?
Blue the gate.
What? Anaza no naza?
No.
Olu
on 19, on 20. Abata that day anom ya ni me fam mu kan no. Na egbocha nsiezi. Nsiezi ka mbu na puta. Na kwe the same chairman with group of people mandu vuegbe mandu vumma. Wakabata na compound there. My mother we gbaje okwu e so gini na gini mere gini. Akwa my mother.
Why mother aka? Nwanya aja badi di ya ngo.
Yes. Akwa my mother nyana. So we so kedu ka mmesi were no na bem. No, that is
excuse wait. Those people kwaleka our security on the police on the youth.
Yeah, who the chairman is.
Ndu kwaleka those boys up there on the security on the police on the youth. Enugu Nanka ke particular people made that.
No, but yeah, who could yeah,
okay, boys na so
okay, toss yeah. So, owele kwa my mother can so even down on you my mother. I don't have any other option. That says come well. They should leave.
Why are you your mother?
They should leave my compound. Or when they should destroy whatever they see in my compound. How could you see Bukalo Ezim Nine? Batana the compound, void the whole economic tree, my mother General
Boya.
Moonele. But a lot of things.
What kind of wickedness is this?
Okay, make this thing. To this my brother uncle because actually Babun that day.
Fata Babugu?
Yes. I ran away. How about the Ebony? What they gave me? Where what for? I went to this my brother with the other one. What is the police station? Oko.
Police station Oko?
Yes.
Oko police station.
Oko police station. 3 days without doing any statement.
Get statement in the number
no statement. Now, so even in a cabin, no problem. My junior sister, her
wait, one junior sister, how old? How
every 22 years.
22 years. How did you fit the girl? If it's what you want,
yes.
Blue Sea also most maybe say from Mokoko. Agree, Kenazo.
ọkụkọ ndị ahụ niile
nwụrụ anwụ.
Yes.
That period ahụ.
Due to ha na-achụgharị m onweghị anybody ga na-enye ha ma nri ma ya so ọkụkọ ndị ahụ niile nwụrụ anwụ.
Ezugu niile ha buru ya ma geeti gị ha buru ya.
Today.
Okay, na nka njọ ga ajụjụ kedu the reason ha jiri ebe bụ unu were mebise geeti unu buru geeti ma were ezi niile na-azụ ma ọkụkọ gụ tie ya mmadụ ife tie nwanne gị nwaanyị ife onwere anụ na-azụ azụ na kọmpand ụna
ya dị azụ since my father nji were pụta ụwa my father na mmadụ azụbeghị anya.
Kedu the reason ka afara man dere
Okechukwu
kedu the reason Okechukwu the chairman of Enugu na nka kedu the reason o ji bịa na-eme datin kedu ihe
access road ya na-etinye access road yes
n'ime compound ụnụ
without my notice.
fenye gị information fenye nnukwu na information wee bịa mebi isi wee compound ụnụ so fenye gị information
enye dị m information nche
na ha na-abịa ka ha bịa
ha bịara ihe dị ka taa sị m na m wepụ geeti m my entrance gate na ha ya abịa ebe ahụ destroy ya ihe niile ha fụrụ na ọ na m ewepụ ihe ọ na-anọchiri whatever that is blocking there na ha ga-abịa destroy ya but mụnwa amago m na ọbe m ịchọ na itinye ụzọ ihe abịa gwa ihe mere ha bịa forcefully wee remove my gate.
That the same day ka ha gwa gị ya
ha bịara taa oluechie ha bịa mee ihe
ha. Okay, ha bịara tata oluechie
ha bịa mee ihe
ha gwa gị like 3 months or 4 months before you were in ebe na-alụ ọrụ your sister kpọzie gị na phone gwa gị ihe na-eme nụ. So kwuo na ha si wee isi na ha kpọrọ ụnụ so continue say this.
Ha kpọrọ this my brother with the order of my brother Buja ha police station Oko. So due to I agagidene court ha withdraw Oku from
okay, how withdraw Oku from court?
Yes, withdraw Oku from court based on na haje mu ejiji mmegu because all Asian can je nyelo onwe maka. Akpokoro ihe niile. In fact, even to eat, my mother will do to ago koji wele gakwe my sister.
So your mother is in bone now?
Oh no, yeah.
Because of this
situation now. My mother no here. Okay, on getting to police station, no statement.
Oko police station.
Oko police station. Police station. Kamuna, this my brother. Okay, Ebel Chajilaya. After all this, Kebushiyame.
Okay, I'm back. Just quickly.
Okay. Apollo, this the DPO me like 2 of us invite. Kamali here with the problem.
Yes.
On getting there, I wanna go to Ukbo. Zone 13 will see from there just for this my brother hang off.
Bruno, what? That's why I make you for. Your sister for.
Underground cell.
Underground cell.
Yes.
1 week. Okay, how does it bear bone allegation?
Yes. The only person better than my compound. No, every day I'm with threat, even who don't have to do on my compound. Mandu neje when I be a threat on my compound.
Bikonu, onu further mad name father on ma. You people need to stand up to condemn that evil. No matter on your hand with a power and a politics on a power in that village. You people need to condemn evil. Nefu munanya kolaba. Simple. Na hana acho itili ilo and if I bring government if I women you may village.
And the
how one on time. Hana team issue acquired today. Only car go all always to have those blue boys, blue my mama. Good to work it. And I pray that you gonna get free this in them. I pray that you gonna get free this in them. And nobody more than can add their support for job. Send that person this video. These people must get justice. Get it. How could you be perfect? So Hana are cheating also. Bulugate poor. Till today, I have forget Anya. As in we could be a gas or genuine near few days no ya. How book or less now? Poor?
December, that December period.
Yeah.
Was in there, but only anybody for Gina my compound.
But I will again.
Again, I fool me.
I fool Anya. Maya had to my for 1 and 1 if getting the refer. What is happening? So be continental. Make a shot on my own German at this case because so when I can do hunch or not, can do hunch or get now.
Oh, my property,
you need your property.
Yes.
Yes, you need now. Have my gate to go. Yes. Can I Lila Nabona? Who is that person? Lila?
Even till today, even the person I'm not money and it's over.
Okay, una money on the ụzọ.
Yes.
Oh, yo, it's like no way, nwa ọgaranya na-achọ maybe nwere ego na-achọ itinye ụzọ be ofile ka ọ bịa.
Even ndị a na-agwa na ha alụchago like buildings ebe ahụ. And ọhụhụ na my compound ka esi wee buru.
Okay, o nwere ike ọ bụrụ na maybe onye mmadụ nwere ego lụọ unu na ofile na ọ na-achọ itinye ụzọ. ụzọ nwere ike bata bụ ụnụ kama ha ga-abịakwa ụnụ mefe ahụ use the man I don't know mana ihe ọ nọsụkwa ya bụrụ intimidation na adọrọ mma